Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Trello for project management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by accessing Trello's website at trello.com. Create an account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be redirected to your Trello dashboard. Click on the Create New Board button to start. Name your board, keeping the project's goals in mind. Select a background color or image that resonates with your project's theme. Adjust the visibility settings based on your team's needs. Now you'll need to create lists within your board. Typically, your lists will represent different stages of the project, like to do, in progress, and done. Click on Add a List, then type the name of your first list and hit Enter. Repeat this process to create as many lists as your project requires. Next, it's time to add cards to your lists. Cards represent individual tasks or items related to the project. Click on Add a card under the appropriate list and provide a clear title for the task. You can also click on the card to add details, such as descriptions, checklists, due dates, and labels. Utilize the Members section to assign team members to specific cards. This ensures accountability and clarity in task ownership. For better organization, use labels to categorize tasks based on priority or type. Consider adding due dates to keep the project on track. You can set reminders for due dates to keep tasks front of mind. Once your cards are ready, encourage your team to start updating their progress. As tasks move across lists, drag and drop cards to reflect their current status. Utilize the comments section within each card for team discussions. Trello has a feature for attachments, so you can easily upload relevant documents or links. Integrate Trello with other tools like Slack or Google Drive to streamline communication. Review the board regularly to keep an eye on progress and make necessary adjustments. Hold project meetings to discuss updates and blockers directly on your Trello board. Encourage your team to provide feedback on the process for continuous improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.